Good morning. Anmol classes welcomes you. In the previous video of Introduction to Machine Learning, we have seen that machine learning is the application of your artificial intelligence. In this video, we will be seeing the types of machine learning. If we are seeing the types of machine learning, we are having supervised learning, we are having unsupervised learning, and we are having reinforcement learning. If we are seeing the supervised learning, it is task driven. On the other hand, if we are seeing the unsupervised learning, it is data driven. And finally, we are having the reinforcement learning. It is learning from errors. Here in this figure, we are seeing that in the center we are having the machine learning, and in this we are having the supervised learning. As you are seeing the supervised learning, it can be further classified as your classification and regression. So your supervised learning is one type is classification and another type is regression. Similarly, you are seeing your unsupervised learning. Unsupervised learning, here we are having clustering and dimension reduction. So in unsupervised learning, we are having clustering and dimension relation. And third category, we are having a reinforcement learning. If we are seeing the supervised learning, here the data is labeled. Label acts like a supervisor to guide the learning process. So here different features are there and these features are being labeled. So supervised learning models associate a label with each data point described by its feature. In supervised learning, we are having classification model and we are having the regression model. Let us see what these models are. In case of your classification model, here the different features are there and we used to go for categorically label. So classification model try to predict a categorical label. So here we can go for yes or no, say male or female. Like this, we need to go for the categorically classifying it. On the other hand, in case of your regression model, here features are there and from these features we used to go for the numerical label. So here we are having a categorical label and here we are having the numerical label. So regression model try to predict a numerical label. It may be your number or vector. In this figure of your supervised learning, the data is labeled. So here you see this is a female. You are seeing the hair. Hair is long. If the long hair is there, this is a female. Here also you see long hair. Long hair means female. Here you are having short hair. Short hair means male. Here also short hair. Short hair means male. Here you see short hair. Short hair means male. Here you see long hair. Long hair means female. Now the question is, we need to identify this data. So here, as the hair is short and whatever the data that we are having, the feature that we have seen from this, we can say that as here the hair is short, this is the male. In the supervised learning, we are having one parameter that is called feature extraction. So in this example, say if you are seeing this is the height. If you are seeing this one, this is the eyebrow width. If you are seeing this one, this is the hair length. If you are seeing this, this is the eye width. If you are seeing this one, this is the waist length. And if you are seeing this, this is the leg length. So these are the different features that will be helpful in the supervised learning. Knowing those feature extraction, let us try to solve this problem. This is the problem of the supervised learning and it is from the part of the classification. So here we are having a female, this is male, this is male, this is female, this is male, this is female, and the question is what about this one? So here different members are there, their height are written in centimeter, waist length are also written, and it is asking the gender. So for this seventh person, this person we need to identify, we need to classify it, that whether he is the male or female. As we are knowing from the feature extraction, so if you see this height is 156 female, 178 male, 168 male, 154 female, 169 male, 153 female, 165 question mark. So here if you are seeing that if height is less, then the gender is female. Similarly, waist length. So here 28 male, 28 female, 32 male, 30 male, 29 female, 30 male, 24 female. Means waist length, if it is less, it is female. So here the height is given 165 and waist length is 29. So what this will be? So as per the feature extraction, we can say that this comes under the category of male. Let us see another example of the supervised learning. This is the part of regression. In classification, we used to go for categorically dividing it. In a regression, the answer will be in terms of some number. So here you are getting that this is the female, and here it is mentioned weight 68. For this male it is 72. For this male it is 69. For this female it is 64.5. And for this male it is 74.9. For this it is 52.3. It is asking what about the weight of this. So as we are seeing the height, as we are seeing the waist length, we can go for finding the weight. So as you are knowing that if height is less, the person will be female. If the waist length is less, it is female. Now if you are seeing the height, say suppose if you are going for the weight, first one it is your 68, second it is 72, 69, 64.5, 74.9, 52.3. Here also if you are seeing that female are having 68, 64.5 and 52.3. For male it is your 69, 72, 74.9. So as this is a male, its weight will be greater than as compared to female. So here our answer will be some number. So it will be in terms of numeric. As it is numeric, this type of problem, it is coming under your regression model. So far we have seen your supervised learning. In supervised learning we have seen the regression and classification. Classification means we need to go for some category. On the other hand, in case of regression, we will be having some number as the answer. Okay. Now here some problems are there. Let us try to divide it, that whether it is regression type or classification type. First one is email spam or not spam filtering. So we are having email. We need to see that whether it is spam or not spam. So if we need to go for filtering, it is the part of classification. Here we don't have any number. So it is classification model will be there. Second one is house price prediction. So when we are going for house price prediction, it will be some number. So here we will be having the regression. Next one, deduction of a news article type. So which type of news article is? So here also we don't have any number. So it is the part of classification. Marks prediction. If we are going for marks prediction, marks means it will be number. So as marks is a number, it will be coming under your regression model. Grade prediction. Grade. So if you are going for the grade means again it is a part of a classification. So grade prediction, it is coming under your classification. Weather forecasting. Weather forecasting means which type of weather it will be there. So here there is no any number. Just we need to forecast it, so it will be coming under the classification. And finally, temperature forecasting. So when we are going for temperature forecasting, the answer will be in terms of some number. So temperature forecasting will be under regression. Thank you.